Hello everyone, welcome back to Techbro. In today's video, we're going to talk about an amazing tool called Dr.Fone. It's an all-in-one AI-powered platform that helps you solve almost every phone management problem in one place. Dr.Fone gives you a complete solution for WhatsApp transfer and fully supports the latest devices like iPhone 17, Samsung Galaxy S25 series, Android 16, and iOS 26. The download link is available in the video description. If you're looking for a complete mobile toolkit, this software lets you remove Android passwords, unlock iPhone and Android screens, transfer WhatsApp data, perform phone-to-phone transfer, and access many other powerful features. But in today's video, we'll focus on one specific feature called FRP Bypass Google Lock. With this feature, you can easily bypass the Google FRP account lock on supported Android devices. It works with Android 16 and supports popular brands like Redmi, Oppo, Samsung, Realme, and Xiaomi. Multiple device options are available inside the software. Again, you can find the link in the video description. Once you click the link, it will take you to the official website. Simply click the download button, install the software, and launch it on your computer. After opening the program, you'll see a clean and simple interface. This is an all-in-one toolkit where you can connect your device using a USB cable and easily manage photos, music, videos, books, messages, and files in a very simple way. On the main screen, you'll find many features such as Remove Google FRP Lock, Unlock Android Screen, Location Changer, and more. On the left side, you can see sections like Toolbox, My Device, Photos, Music, podcasts, videos, and other categories. For today's tutorial, we will use the Remove Google FRP Lock option. The process is very simple. First, connect your device to your computer using a USB data cable, or you can choose the wireless method. If you go wireless, make sure both your phone and computer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. You can scan the QR code for Android, and iOS is also supported. In this demonstration, I will use the USB data cable. I'll click on the Remove FRP Lock option, and it will open a new screen with the next steps. On the new screen, you will see the option to quickly remove the Google FRP Lock. It supports major brands like Samsung, Xiaomi, Redmi, Oppo, Realme, Vivo, Motorola, and many others. The process is very simple. Just click on the Start button, and then you will be asked to choose the correct FRP unlocking solution based on your Samsung device's system version and chipset. You can manually select options like Android OS 16, MediaTek CPU, USA model, Android OS 6, 7, 8, 9, and other available versions. If you are not sure, you can simply choose the Smart Recommendation option, and the software will automatically find the best solution for your device. After clicking the Start button, the tool will begin processing and may take 1 to 2 minutes to properly connect your device. Once the connection is successful, it will start downloading the required drivers. This may take several minutes, so please wait patiently during this step. After the driver installation is complete, the software will show you on-screen instructions to follow. First, you need to connect your phone to a Wi-Fi network. Then unplug your device and reconnect it to the computer as instructed. Once you complete these steps, the FRP removal process will automatically begin. This will take a little time, so again, please wait patiently until the process finishes. You can quickly bypass the Google FRP lock using Wondershare Dr.Fone. The download link is available in the video description, so make sure to check it out and try it yourself. That's all for today's video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.